Last Day Rush sa 2025 lang sa SM Iloilo Terminal Market.
Hala, damo di tawaw.
Kami buy one take one donuts. Sang 12th Street Donuts and Coffee. Opens 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. Enjoy their Ilonggo freshly made donuts with donut flavors of matcha me crazy, toffee, almond snowfall, peanutty choco puff, and many more flavors to choose from. The perfect treat for donut and sweet lovers. Whether good pang dine-in or pang take-out. Gaserve man sila fresh brews and ice blended drinks. Presenting to you their Java Chip Frap, Tres Leches Donut, Luca Bell's Toffee, Milky Cheesy Puff, Timber Twist Choco. Any flavor of donut is 55 pesos. Half dozen donuts, 255 pesos. 1 dozen, 420. For 2 dozen, 705 pesos. Kag may araman sila, a box of 10 donut balls for 135 pesos. And get a free donut of your choice for every cup of coffee you purchase. Wala gintipid sa toppings, feeling. Kag sulit pa sa quality. Perfect kid any occasion, especially sa New Year. Kaya hapit na ka mag-order na diri sa 12th Street Donuts and Coffee, crafted for the neighborhood, loved by all. Madamo gid na salamat kag na-secure ko na ang 1 dozen donuts. Kadto na di sa SM Iloilo Terminal Market. Samtang damo pa available flavor. Wishing you happy holidays and happy new year mga nos. Thank you for watching. I'm Drinking Nose. See you again sa next vlogs here in City of Love, Iloilo City. Bye!